Right now, you're sitting, standing, or maybe lying down, and you don't even think about it because something invisible is holding you in place. Gravity. It's always there, silent, constant, unquestioned.
But what if, for just 5 seconds, gravity disappeared? No warning, no countdown, no second chance. In less than a heartbeat, everything changes.
The ground beneath your feet stops holding you. The air around you begins to drift away. And the oceans, the very thing that gives Earth life, start rising into the sky. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is physics pushed to its absolute limit. And in the next 60 minutes, you're going to experience exactly what would happen if Earth lost gravity for just 5 seconds.
Before we take gravity away, we need to understand what it really does. Because gravity is not just the reason things fall. It is the reason Earth exists as we know it. Gravity is what holds the oceans in place instead of floating into space, the atmosphere wrapped around the planet like a protective shield, the moon in orbit, stabilizing Earth's tilt, and even you anchored to the surface. Without gravity, there is no down, there is no weight, there is no stability.
But here's what most people don't realize. Even when gravity disappears, motion does not. The Earth is spinning. You are already moving at over 1,000 miles per hour if you're near the equator. You just don't feel it because gravity is holding you in place. Take that away, and suddenly you are no longer standing still. You are a moving object, set free.
It happens instantly. No sound, no flash, no warning. One moment, everything is normal. The next, you feel something strange. Your body becomes light, too light.
Your feet no longer press against the ground, and before your brain can even process what's happening, you begin to rise, slowly at first, then faster. Objects around you follow. Your phone lifts off the table, chairs drift upward, dust particles begin floating in the air. If you're holding something, it slips from your hands because there is no longer any force pulling it down. If you're outside, the ground starts to feel distant, and then you realize something terrifying. You are no longer in control of where you're going.
Now, the real danger begins. Because gravity didn't just hold you down, it kept you synchronized with Earth's rotation. Without it, your body continues moving, but not in the same way as the ground beneath you. You are suddenly out of sync with the planet. At the equator, Earth spins at around 1,670 kilometers per hour.
So when gravity disappears, you don't just float upward, you are thrown sideways. Imagine jumping off a spinning carousel at full speed. That's what this feels like. People are slammed into walls. Cars slide violently across highways. Planes lose lift and begin drifting unpredictably. Buildings no longer hold things inside them. Everything loose becomes a projectile. And the higher you go, the less control you have. Because now, there is nothing pulling you back.
Seriously. Now scale this up to the oceans. Earth holds over 1 billion cubic kilometers of water, and all of it is held down by gravity. Remove gravity, and the oceans don't stay calm. They react instantly. Water begins to rise, not like waves, but like massive, expanding domes. Entire sections of the ocean lift into the sky.
Coastlines are suddenly exposed. Marine life is suspended midair. Ships are left floating with nothing beneath them. Some of this water reaches high enough to escape Earth's atmosphere, lost forever. The rest, it forms gigantic floating masses, waiting for gravity to return.
Air behaves the same way, because the atmosphere is not attached to Earth. It is held by gravity. Without it, the air begins to expand outward. Pressure drops. Breathing becomes harder. Not instantly fatal, but dangerous. Oxygen levels fluctuate. Dust and debris fill the air. Sound behaves differently.
If you're at a high altitude, you may lose consciousness. Satellites begin drifting off course. The boundary between Earth and space starts to blur. For a brief moment, Earth is no longer a closed system. It is leaking into the universe.
At this point, panic takes over. Humans are not built for zero gravity. Every instinct you have becomes a liability. You try to grab something, but pushing against it sends you spinning. You try to stabilize, but there is no up or down. Inside buildings, people slam into ceilings. Glass shatters outward. Loose objects turn into hazards. Outside, it's worse. You are exposed, floating, moving unpredictably. Even a small movement could send you drifting further away from safety. And remember, you only have seconds.
Then, just as suddenly as it vanished, gravity comes back, and everything falls at the same time from every height with no warning. People drop from midair. Vehicles crash violently into the ground. Structures absorb massive shock. But the most destructive force is the water.
The oceans come crashing back down. Not as waves, but as global-scale impacts. Entire regions are flooded instantly. Cities near coastlines are wiped out.
The event lasted 5 seconds. But its consequences last forever. Infrastructure is destroyed. Communication systems collapse. Satellites are lost. Ecosystems are disrupted. Millions of lives changed in an instant.
And humanity is left with one question. If gravity can disappear once, could it happen again? Gravity is invisible. You don't see it. You don't hear it. You barely even notice it. But it is the reason everything stays where it should be. disappears even for just 5 seconds.